Okay, we will go back to the dashboard. We will go to Applications and do what? We will find something called Delivery Service. We will click Install. Great. After that, we go to Branch Settings. This is the only branch we have. We will find a new option called Delivery, which is currently disabled. We click here. It says delivery is active. The delivery price must be one of two things, a fixed price or a variable price based on distance. How is the variable price calculated? It is calculated per kilometer. For example, if you set a price of, say, 20 EGP per kilometer, but the distance from the customer's house to your branch is only 500 meters, the system will charge the higher price, the minimum rate. It won't charge 10 EGP, it will charge the full 20 EGP and add it to the invoice. The second option is fixed delivery. The price is 20 EGP, regardless of where the customer is within the delivery radius or delivery zone that we will define together now. You have two choices for defining your delivery area. Circular range, anyone within this circle will receive delivery. You can increase the delivery radius from here. Polygon range, this option is better. Here, you define the exact area you want to deliver to. For example, if you only want the specific area. When you click on Polygon range, let's zoom in on the screen. We click here, and it starts drawing the boundary for the area you want to deliver to. Every time we click, it draws a point for the box. We'll say our range goes up to here, 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 and here. Then we close the box by returning to the starting point. As soon as you complete the box, it draws the exact zone you want to deliver to. If a customer is located here, slightly outside the box, they cannot request delivery. When they open the menu, it will show them that they are outside the delivery zone. After that, we zoom out and click Modify Branch. Now let's go back to the menu and refresh. Let's also take a moment to change the branch name. Let's say Downtown Branch and in English, City Center, or whatever name you prefer. Click Modify Branch. Now, when we go to the menu and refresh, the second option, Delivery, will appear. This is what the customer sees. They will now see the delivery option. The customer is currently in this area. They can define their location from here. It will say Enable Location. I'll enable the location now. Let's say the customer is standing here. The customer currently doesn't see any branches because they are outside the delivery range we defined. But if they move inside the range, for example, if their location is here, the branch, Downtown Branch, will appear. They can choose it and click Deliver from this branch. Next, they can look for what they want. For example, I want this order. Execute order. It will ask for the user's name and phone number. We put the name and number, click Next. An OTP code will be sent to them via WhatsApp for verification. After the verification process, which is very fast, let's say yes, this is the address. Or, if the customer wants to add a different address, not this one, they can come here and choose the location. City, address type, home, building type, house, building number, floor, 5th floor, unit number, apartment 1, main address? Yes/no, for example, Rod El Farag. As long as they select a location, everything is fine. There will be no issue for the delivery agent to reach them at any location, even if the street and address are not detailed. As long as the customer has chosen a location, the delivery agent will go there and call them, instead of having to call them repeatedly asking where are you? We click Update Address, then Send Order. It says, successfully sent. Great. Now we return to our dashboard. Whenever a customer places an order, you will see this light up, and you will immediately get a notification. If your notification sound is off, you click here and turn notifications on. It will ask you to reload. Reload, and then you will see the order appear here. Any order coming from the menu, whether pickup or delivery, will appear here with the customer's data, the exact order type, and the order status. By default, the order status is accepted. You can view the order details from here. These are the order options and everything. If you want to print an invoice, click Print. If you have a printer connected, click Print, and the invoice will be printed immediately like this. Now, this order will go through stages. Currently, it is accepted. Next is in preparation. If you have a chef, this order will go directly to the chef. If the chef is logged into their account and you set the status to in preparation, the order will immediately appear for them. Once the chef is finished, the order will be ready for pickup or ready for delivery. Since the type is delivery, it will be ready for delivery. Who will see this? The delivery agent. It is now ready for delivery, but you haven't assigned a delivery agent to the order, so we will assign Islam Fawzi, the agent we added. We select Islam Fawzi. As soon as we assign this order to Islam, it appears here on his account, which he can also open from the mobile application. Everything that appears on the website will be there. He clicks Get My Location. It will tell him to enable the location, so we enable the location. Get Location. Great. The order appears for Islam. He clicks Details. It gives him the exact location he needs to go to, with the address and everything, so he knows what items are in the order. Islam has taken the order and is delivering it now. He sets the status to Out for Delivery. When we refresh the dashboard, the order status shows Out for Delivery. Before Islam took this order, suppose you received 4 or 5 delivery orders, and you want to know which orders are close to each other so you can give them to Islam to take together. You click Show All Orders on Map. They will appear like this. Any order that comes in will appear here, so you know the exact location of each order and can plan the route. Islam now has the order. Say 15 or 30 minutes have passed. You want to know where Islam is now. You go to Track Delivery Orders. Any number of delivery agents who are currently logged in will appear here. The gray signal means he is not currently using the application, but if he opens the app and you reload, his exact location will appear. If you have 100 delivery agents and 100 orders, everything will appear here. You can filter by the delivery agent or by the branch. Islam has now delivered the order. He sets the status to Delivered. Where did the order go for Islam? It went to the delivery order history along with all its details. The order is now delivered. You have its invoice and everything. Whenever an order comes in, it deducts from your account balance, whether it's an order from the menu or the cashier. Any order deducts from your balance. If you want to top up, click Recharge Now. Say you want to recharge 100 EGP, which equals 50 orders. You click